Okay, to get our streamer set up, there are a couple of things that we need to do. Let's go over them here in our Help Me Set Up guide sheet. First is we need to create a deployment package, and then we need to install the deployment streamer and enter the deployment code. So to create this, we need to go to our Management tab and Deployment. Let's go ahead there. Management, Deployment. Once we're here, we can look over the instructions. There's 3 steps on what we need to do. We can go ahead and create a deployment package. Here's the code that we need to apply to our streamer. Let's create this to show you. To create a deployment package, there are settings on the side here that you can look over. By default, we will have some of them already checked. Security-wise, will require Windows or Mac login. That will always be on. You can uncheck this at any time. And output sound will always be on local computer. Always auto launch streamer. This means when you restart the streamer or restart the computer, the streamer will always come back up. Okay, let's give this package a name. Let's use test 2. And we can use regular computer name. You can also enter your own computer name, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to do custom. You can also assign a group, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to skip this step. When we get to grouping, we'll go over this. So create deployment package. And here we have our code for test 2. We can click deploy to retrieve our link for download. There's 2 options that you can do as far as deploying. You can do the deploy by share link or deploy by sharing the installer. You can use an MSI as well. So let's try this link here. This is the link that you can email yourself or send to your clients to run the streamer download. When you're here, when you click that link, you see a welcome to remote support page. You must acknowledge and allow that someone will be installing the software on your computer. Once you click this, you have the option to download the streamer, Windows or Mac, and then run copy the code and paste it on your streamer. So let me click download here. Download starts at the bottom. Always remember to copy this code. Sometimes people get lost in not knowing where the code is. Okay, running download. There are also ways of embedding this code on the deployment link. On our help FAQ, we have the parameters there that you can set up for the executable. Okay, so my streamer has been installed. It will always show up on your system tray here on your icons tray, and it gives us our status, our settings that we can configure as well, our security settings that we can configure as well, other advanced settings that we can set up. But to get connected to our account, let's paste that code and allow access. Okay, so it lets me know, confirms that my account will be able to access this computer anytime. Confirm. And now that this is done, when I go to my computers tab, my desktop will be there and I'll be able to connect, which will be our next video after we install the app. Okay, thanks.